All right, so we're reviewing about the introduction in our essay. Everybody understand?
Yes.
All right, so let's go over it again. Let's make sure we understand what our goal is because you're about to check your essay to make sure you did everything you were supposed to do. So your goal is to clearly state your opinion and prepare the reader for the reason. All right? So what do we need to do to make sure we're going to start our essay with what? A hook. We're going to start it with a hook. Everybody got it? A hook. What are ways to hook your audience? Tell me.
A question or a statement.
A question or a statement. Now, looking at your essay about if it's better to have more recess or have a class pet, I want an example of a hook. Okay, go. Read it out loud. Okay, so you could starting off by getting your audience involved. Do you think a classroom should have more recess or a class pet? All right, so stop there. You have now hooked your audience. Everybody got it? After we hook our audience, what's something we want to do? Say it. State your opinion? All right, so let's state our opinion, our claim. Let's give our claim. Everybody understand? When we give our claim, we're giving our opinion. You're letting the people know who's reading what it should be.
I personally believe that longer recess time is more fun and exciting for elementary students.
Okay, did he give a claim? Yes, do you feel like it was clear? Do you truly know what his side is? Yes. You have to make sure your claim is clear. Here's my question to you. But what if you have a certain claim that you want? You're like, this is my side, but it's not enough evidence on that. Then what should you do? Because it has more evidence. Choose the one that has the most evidence. Got it? Now, if it's equally the same, yay, you can choose your preference, okay? But if not, because you're writing an essay, that's really the ultimate goal, correct? So then you need to make sure you write about, pick the side that has the most evidence. Now that we've given our hook, okay? We got our anchor chart. That's all wrinkly because we've been wearing this out, okay? But now that we have given our hook, we've given our claim, what's the last thing we need to do? Tell me. Say it. State your reasons because now that is going to be the outline for the rest of the essay, correct? So your reasons at that point, how many reasons do we want to have? At least. Okay, at least two, right? At least two reasons, and then we may mention our counter argument. Everybody got it? All right. So I want to hear someone who's going to give me their hook. See, we're adding on their claim, where they picked a side, and their reason. Go ahead. Let me hear yours.
Do you think having a class pet or longer recess is better? In my opinion, having longer recess is better. This is because students are less restless, more ready to learn, and because it is the most time to socialize.
Boom. See, when he gave those reasons, he didn't say, I feel this way because he didn't do that. All right, so here we go, friends. Listen, make sure that goal was to clearly state your opinion and prepare your reader for the reasons. And you all did just that. You're introducing the topic. You're clearly stating your opinion. You got to give a preview of your reasons. Make sure you're engaging the reader. Make sure we have transition words because that's a big part of the grading. Are those transition words there? And that's one thing I can say you all have done a great job. And some transition words for your introduction, they are. To begin, in my opinion, I believe that, and the main idea of this essay is, only when you give your claim, you're giving your side, is when I should hear I or my in that introduction. Understand? Nowhere else. Is everyone clear on that introduction?
Yes!
All right, so now look at what you wrote. Make sure you did everything according to our structure and our method. Okay? All right, go ahead.